Removal. Step 1. Preparing the bike. Use a solid level surface to position the bike on a motorcycle lift and use all the recommended safety techniques. Always refer to the owner's manual for the bike and instructions for the motorcycle lift for all correct lifting procedures. It is also recommended that you protect any chrome or painted surfaces that may be damaged during lifting or the installation process. Remove the motorcycle seat before starting the installation. Removal. Step 2. Removing the factory shocks. After removing the seat, remove the battery cover. Disconnect the battery. Lift the bike so the rear wheel is just slightly off the ground. Loosen and remove the upper shock mounting hardware. Loosen and remove the lower shock mounting hardware. Carefully remove the factory shock absorbers from the rear suspension. Install. Step 1. Installing the rear air shocks. Mount the new shocks one at a time, starting with the lower mount first. Then adjust the height of the bike to align the upper mount. Before final assembly, apply 2 to 3 drops of Loctite 243 blue to the threads of all the mounting hardware. Tighten all shock mounting hardware. Install. Step 2. Installing the inflation system. Find a suitable mounting location for the compressor using either the supplied velcro or the mounting bracket. Remove the side cover on the left side of the bike. Remove the top portion of the toolbox housing. Install the compressor cover. Apply the velcro to the side of the compressor. Some years may require the use of a 90-degree elbow on the compressor. Apply the velcro to the inside of the toolbox. Insert the compressor and route the wires towards the battery. Make sure the compressor is affixed securely. Using a sharp blade, cut off the door to the toolbox. Reinstall the top portion of the toolbox housing. The kit includes a speed-reducing muffler that reduces the speed of the drop. If used, it is to be threaded into the open port opposite of the elbow. Take the 1/4-inch airline and cut to the desired length. Install the airline fitting onto the ends of the 4mm airlines. Connect the 4mm airline to the shock and route it to the manifold and connect. Connect the 1/4-inch airline from the compressor to the manifold via the push connect fitting. Using the remaining velcro, mount the manifold in a suitable location. Install. Step 3. Toggle switch installation. Note: find a suitable location to mount the toggle switch. There are a number of locations that can be utilized to mount the toggle switch. Ultimately, the location of this is up to the installer. Take the side cover and drill a hole slightly larger in diameter than the toggle switch. Insert the toggle switch through the hole and secure using the hardware provided in the kit. Reinstall the side cover. Run the wires towards the battery. The system is equipped with a relay. Refer to the included schematic for a wiring diagram. Locate the rise assembly close to the battery. Connect the ring terminal end of the fuse harness to the battery positive. Reconnect the battery cables. Reinstall the battery cover. Install. Step 4. Finishing the installation. Test the newly installed system. Once the system is operational, use a soap and water solution to check for any leaks. Reinstall the seat. check to ensure the seat is securely locked in the frame. Make sure that there is adequate clearance between the rear tire and fender, being sure to check both the sides and the top. Roll the bike backwards and forwards with no air in the system, feeling for any friction.